Hi guys, this video was about to be posted 4 nights ago, but the computer got malware attacked last Friday the 15th, the day of my last video being published. On Monday morning, I received an email from Europe, the letter that I demanded that I pay $650 US in CYBERCASH to the sender, or he was going to post my private videos on the web. And I'd, just less than 2 weeks before, I had deleted all my private videos. The only videos I have are the videos I have at YouTube, and the only videos I have are videos of sewing machines, like sewing machine videos. Like the first, second, and third retakes that weren't good enough to be, published. So anyway, I wouldn't have wanted him to publish my junky first, second, and third, and fourth retakes that weren't good enough for me to publish at all, But anyway, YouTube and Premiere Pro are where they need to be right now. I got everything all fixed up. I had a big reinstall done after like virusware and all sorts of other stuff. Have a really good plan with Best Buy Canada here in Montreal, not to promote anybody. I'm not sponsored by anybody, but I mean, I got to tell the truth that they really came through in a very, it was stressful. Like when you're busy and you've got a program and all of a sudden you're shut down, and you're getting a mail from overseas that they've seized your computer. I'm glad the dude said that about the private videos, because then I knew he was full of baloney. But anyway, we're back up and running, and here's the stop motion washer right there. That's what the show was going to be about. And what I've been doing this morning, I spent about an hour or so just sanding it with 400 grit paper and then 1500 grit paper. And initially, before I even used the 400 grit, I used wire brush on it, steel wire brush on it. So it's ready to go in. And the other thing I wanted to mention and show is this is one of the beautiful 401s that are here, 401As. And this one is set up correctly. And when you want it to sew, you turn the stop motion lock washer stud or handle or whatever, you turn it to the right, and then we can see that the needle down there is activated and it's moving. And then to oppose that, to disengage the needle bar and the horizontal arm shaft, there's just a little bit of a slight resistance or a little bit of a pushback as I turn it to the left. But once it goes over to the left, it's quite loose. And I just want to raise this a little bit and show you. There's the nub that sticks up that this is stopping against. And you can see that's in the right position. There's one of those things there. Anyway, so this is not an incredibly long video. I think it's about 8 minutes long, and I hope it all makes sense to us. And thank you for viewing. And without further ado, enjoy. Well, I'm gonna have to dust off this sewing machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of mineral oil on a microfiber cloth. And this machine, I've never worked on this machine. I can tell by the dust on it. There's the hand wheel where I want to do my work, so definitely want to have that area clean. I can feel the grime down there and I can see it there now. And this is a 401A. I think I have 3 of these. And the dust, I was thinking about that earlier when I was thinking about, doing the hand wheel video here, and I was thinking, well, where does that dust come from? And where there's readily available dust? From thread. That's where, because I found thread or portions of thread in the most unlikely places. Okay, that's a beautiful speech, Jebb. Now, get to work. Here's the deal, before I take this off. Okay, this is rotating, and that's great. And what I want to be able to do by adjusting this, turning this, and this is not turning. So that's a bit of an issue right there, you know? Because, oh, there we go. And when I turned it there, but it's still driving the needle bar and the horizontal arm shaft. So there's an issue here because it's never disengaging the needle bar, the horizontal arm shaft. I do believe the washer is facing the right way. Let's take this off and check out the mess. Well, that was a very light snap to loosen that. Now I don't want to take that all the way out. I'm going to leave that just like that. And now I'm going to unscrew this and take it off. There's the inside of that. So that looks like it's facing the right way. It's not stopping there. It's messy, it's dirty. Yeah, it's messy in there, it's dirty. Certainly a cleaning is in order. That may be what helps it function correctly. Well, I better get my spring clip pliers so I can get this spring clip off of here without too much bother. And we'll get this, see if I can figure out this hand wheel and how to isolate. See, that's pure hand wheel, so I can't turn anything off there. Okay, so that's snug there. So when I turn it that way, Y is there. See that? Yeah. No motion. The stop motion locker worked. And what I did was I had it over there towards the right, and that engages the horizontal arm shaft and needle bar to sew. And then I just loosely flip it that way, counterclockwise to the left, I guess, your left. And there, the needle bar is not moving. And I'm ready to, if I had juice, electricity, there the bobbin winder wheel is moving. If there was a bobbin on there and thread and all that, it would work. So I'm asking myself, why did that necessarily not work the first time? And I'll be honest with you, I think it's because of my lack of experience with hand wheels and that stop motion lock washer. And a lot of times cleaning is the absolute solution, you know, to getting things moving and unstuck. But anyway, I've got it working, and that was this is the little video that I had been requested to do. So anyway, that's it. C'est fini. Hope you like this. Hope it helped you. And I have one little request to ask, and that is that have fun, keep safe, and take care of yourselves. Thanks.